Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites, free disk space and sufficient RAM because the virtual disk stores all data. Once done, pick a format, VHD for compatibility, VHDX for performance and resiliency, so you avoid size limits later. Now open Disk Management or Hyper-V Manager and choose Create VHD. This initiates the file and allocation dialog. Make sure to set a clear path and file name, since location affects backup and I/O. Next, select Fixed or Dynamically Expanding to control allocation behavior. You now configure disk settings to match workload and storage policy. First, enter the disk size in GB. 40 GB is a practical baseline for general use, because size determines available space immediately or over time. Then choose Fixed for consistent performance or Dynamic to allocate storage on demand. This affects fragmentation and write speed. If advanced options appear, set block size and type to optimize for OS or database workloads. Once configured, confirm and let the tool create the file. It may take seconds or you finish by attaching and preparing the new VHD so the system can use it. First mount it in Disk Management or add it to your VM storage settings, then initialize the disk, create a partition, and format with NTFS or ReFS depending on features you need. Once formatted, assign a drive letter and run a simple read/write test to confirm throughput. If the disk fails to mount or shows no space, check path permissions and that the VHD file isn't locked by another process. Unlock or reboot if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.